you're here, it's probably because you have a nice yellow dress and you don't know what to put on your eyes, like a good eyeshadow, and you're gonna look nice. I'm here to tell you everything, and if you don't even have a yellow dress, you can just stay with us. We're still gonna have fun. You're still gonna learn a lot today. So let's get started. I am now using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer color Eden. It's amazing, it's matte. I love this color on my eyes. It dries super fast, so be careful about that. When you apply it really quick on the eyes. It's really white, but since I'm doing an eyeshadow color that is bright, I want all the pigmentation on it. So let's get to it. With my concealer, I am now making sure that there is no line of demarcation around my shadow, my eyeshadow. Using this contour palette, I did a review on it so you can go check it out. I am using it as a transition color. Before I continue, I like to use a highlight under my brow. Make sure it shines. I am now using this color, this orange, in my corner. Let's go towards the yellow. I am now using a brown, a dark brown. I know it doesn't look like it's really brown, but it is. So while you're watching me blending, why don't you subscribe so you don't miss anything that I post online? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have another one for you. You can just click here and you'll see me in with another look. So I'll see you there. Go, let's go, let's go.